This is the brand new Hyatt Place on Panama City Beach in Florida. I have Hyatt Explorist status, so I was able to get a nice upgrade to a balcony Gulf-facing room on a higher floor. So we were really happy with our view, and it's got the little sitting area as well. Since this is a Category 4 property for an award stay, it's anywhere from 12,000 to 18,000 points a night. Since I was there off-peak in November 2022, it was only 12,000 points a night. The hotel just opened about 3 months ago, and they seem like they've got everything pretty dialed in. The staff was efficient and really friendly. And Coconut Charlie's, which is the beach bar and grill, ran really well. These are the toiletries. I'm not sure what brand that is, but we did like the smell of the toiletries. So since it's a Hyatt Place, you do get free breakfast, and the breakfast was really pretty phenomenal for a Hyatt Place. There were a lot more options than most Hyatt Places. And you could sit outside or inside for breakfast. There's Coconut Charlie's. There's the menu. They had really good drinks, really good food. Prices were really good, and there's a even better happy hour. There was a nice pool with a lazy river, and there were some games. There's Jenga and, I always forget the name of that other game. There's the lazy river. And that's the property from the exterior, and that's the free parking that's right across the street. This is what it looks like right when you're entering the property. Even though there's the free parking across the street, you could pay $20 for valet if you wanted to, but I don't really know why you would. They did a really nice job here with the lobby. It's a pretty view. To the left, there is actually a little coffee bar inside where you can get Starbucks if you want to. The pool is also handicap accessible. So overall, we were really pretty thrilled with the property and thought it was a great deal. For cash rates, it would run you probably anywhere from like $150 to $300 a night.